Hello everyone, my name is Andrea. I am part of the Creative at Home project team, and today I will show you how to use Stencil tool. Stencil is an online tool for images creation. It offers a wide range of free HD quality images and the possibility of applying your own designs to them. In addition, it offers live previews, scheduling, and other automation tools to make your graphics even more outstanding and creative. So this is how the Stencil tool looks like once you enter it. Here you can search for the backgrounds that you want to apply to your file. So you can search your own images and you can apply anything that you like to your design. Here you can also search for icons and you can also search for some keywords and upload the images that you would like to apply to your file. For example, you can choose from various options like this, and you just click and upload it to your document. And now you can edit the image that you've added to your file. So you can edit transparency, you can duplicate it like this, and if you don't like it, you can just delete it. Also here you can choose from various templates as well, so you can scroll down and see what is offered, or you can also search by keyword and see what you find. So for example, you can write forest and see all the possibilities for forest related backgrounds. Here you have uploads. So this is an image that I've uploaded from my computer, and now I can just upload it to my document directly. And I can adjust the image, I can adjust the blur, I can also adjust the transparency of the image. You can make it lighter or darker. Also, you can change the opacity of the image. You can duplicate it if you want. And also you can set it as a background or delete it. So these are the options that you can use in a Stencil tool. So this is what you can create, and in the end you can export it. Thank you and goodbye.